Hi trader, I'm Alina, and in this video I'll show you how to trade completely without risks. I'll demonstrate you my private strategy and teach you how to use it. It's all simple and doesn't require much time. I'll also tell you how to get on my Telegram channel for free and copy all my deals from there. And watch this video carefully, like, and let's get started. So here we are in the pocket option today. Our concept pass, now I'm showing you. It's in the upper area of the screen. The time of the TL today, it will be 1 minute as always. The balance I have $200. The TL amount also 200. So time frame 1 minute LCO. So today we'll use 2 indicators in my strategy. That's only in this video. This is the first indicator, Bollinger Bands, and the second is MACD. It's pretty popular indicators, often use them in the strategy, especially in the conjunction. So you can copy it for more convenient ways. And MACD also. Yeah. So I'll tell you about indicators during the video in practice firstly, so you get it. The theory is quite complicated. So the first concept, which we will begin our trading session today, we open a trade here, up TL, and then we start our analysis. We see globally upward trend, so like return of the chart, support area we see, and resistance. Yeah, it's up to resistance area. Let me show you how candlestick is quite large according to the MACD indicator. Also the bars are green, is directed upward. Yeah, the chart is rapidly moving in the upper position, and I'll tell you about my private Telegram channel that I told about in the beginning of the video. So it's free. Yeah, we see plus TL, and I also want to tell to you about my social trading. You can find the information about it in my Telegram channel. So you find it in the description, the link, and we going on. So we are on the next concept, $200. Yeah, we see the resistance level, the support level. We see one touch, the second touch, and we return to the resistance level. Yeah, we trade in the uptrend, and we see what we see. We see 2 moving bars of this indicator, and they are directed sideways. After that, we see MACD. We see 2 green bars, and above 2 bars there's also a green one. Yeah, we see that red one is dominated. Yeah, up TL like the previous one. Good. And we moving on to the next concept. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. We see third concept. We'll open it and I begin to analyze our chart. yeah, our chart is quite we see consolidation zones, we have clear trend here, we see an upward trend, two up moving ones, yeah, up deal, yeah, green bars above the zero mark, it's our second indicator, and we see green ones prevails on the red one. Yeah, we see correctly analysis. More precisely, I did it 4 seconds until the end. All this deal. Yep, up deal. Great. Our analysis was corrected. And yeah, we see the area of resistance when we continue to grow on our chart. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see, yeah, we see fourth concept. One more up deal, and we start our analysis. Both lower borders and the upper borders, we have an upward trend. Then we look at the indicator and see that in the lower border this is a shadow from the heads. It means that there was a drawdown, but the drawdown is not here. Resistance area, we see MACD green ones is prevailed on the red one. Bollinger Bands. Yeah, I zoom it to you more convenient. Yeah, profit is $384. So what to use two indicators. You can copy them my settings and use it in your trading. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel and to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.